All Pro Gutter Guards is the trusted choice for gutter installation near me Media, Pennsylvania, delivering reliable solutions for homes and businesses. Their experienced team installs high-quality gutter systems designed to handle heavy rainfall while protecting roofs, siding, and foundations from water damage. Each installation is customized to fit your property perfectly, ensuring proper drainage and long-term performance. Using durable materials and proven techniques, All Pro Gutter Guards focuses on efficiency, safety, and lasting results. From seamless gutters to modern gutter guard options, their professional service and attention to detail make them a top provider for gutter installation near me Media, Pennsylvania. Call us today, All Pro Gutter Guards, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a gutter installation near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. How much does gutter installation near me in Media, Pennsylvania cost? The cost of gutter installation near me Media, Pennsylvania varies based on materials, home size, and system design, but All Pro Gutter Guards offers competitive pricing and free estimates. What types of gutters are available with gutter installation near me Media, Pennsylvania? All Pro Gutter Guards offers seamless aluminum gutters, custom fit systems, and durable downspouts as part of their gutter installation near me Media, Pennsylvania services. What is your service office for gutter installation near me Media, Pennsylvania? Our local gutter installation near me Media, Pennsylvania office has served Media, Glen Mills, Paoli, Malvern, Garnet Valley, Nether Providence Township, Swarthmore, Morton, Springfield, Broomall, Havertown, Newtown Square, Haverford, Wayne, Villanova, Radnor, Ardmore, Wynwood, Narberth, Westchester, Pennsylvania. Where is your All Pro Gutter Guards located? We are located at 27 East Front Street, number 4, Media, Pennsylvania 19063. Our phone number is 610-510-8049. Visit our website, https://upgutterguards.com/media/.